Good morning, children. So, children, yesterday we have seen with the division of decimal fractions by 10, 100,000 and so on. So, today we are going to learn decimal fractions. Okay, so division of decimal fractions by a whole number. So, let's see. For example, first 12.48 divided by 4. Okay, so let's see. Here, where is the whole number and 0.48, so it is the fractional part. So first we will divide the whole number. 4 3s are 12. 0, 0. Now see beta, here the division of whole number is complete. Now it is the decimal point. So we will put the decimal point on the quotient. Now we will take out this 4 down. 4 1s are 4. Now bring out this 8. 4 2s are 8. Got it, children? So in this way, you can find out the quotient of decimal fraction by a whole number. So first you have to divide the whole number, and after the whole number, put the decimal point in the quotient and then continue the division. Got it, children? So let's see one more example. 55.3 divided by 35. Okay. So here, beta, you can put many zeros in the decimal rightmost place of the decimal point. Okay. So 35 2s are 70. But here we have 55. So 35 1s are 35. Got it, beta? So here the division of the whole number is over. 55 is the whole number. So now we will put the decimal point after this whole number. So what is left here? 20. 20 is smaller than 35. So we will bring down this 3. So it becomes 203. So let's try 35 5s are, 5 3s are 15. So 5 5s are 25. Carry to 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. So it is 175. Subtract 13 minus 5 8. 9 minus 7 2. Okay. Now it is 28. So already we have taken here decimal point. So we will take 0. Okay. Now it is 28. So let's try another number. Or you can make the table of 35. 35 8s are Yes, it is 280. 45 8s are 2 0 0 0. So what is the quotient? So here the quotient 1.58 and the remainder is 0. So got it, children? How to divide the whole decimal fraction by the whole number. Let's start one more example for this. It is 0.392. 0.392 divided by 8. 0.392. See children, here the whole number is 0. Okay, so we will put the decimal point over here and then we will take this fractional parts. Okay, so 8 zeros are 0. 8 fours are 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 3. Bring this 2 down. Okay. And 8, 9s are 70. Got it, children? So here our quotient is 0.049. Got it, children? Let's see, beta. Division by a decimal number or division of the decimal fraction by a decimal fraction or decimal number by a decimal. And the question is 3.48 divided by 0.6. Now see children, here numerator and denominator both are the decimal fractions. So what to do? See beta. First we will remove this decimal point. Okay, because you can't do. So can you solve this beta? 0.6 and here is 3.4. So better to move the decimal, to remove the decimal number, decimal point. So here 3, see beta, 3.48. So it is in the decimal fraction. So here the decimal point is after 2 places, 1, 2. So we will write divided by 100. Divided by, yes, 0.6 means it is 6 upon 10. Got it, children? Okay. And we already learned how to divide the decimal fractions by another decimal fraction. So, see, we will write here 348 divided by 100. Convert this decimal number into multiplication and take the reciprocal of this. Means it is 10 upon 6. See children, this 0 with 0 will cancel. Okay, so what is left? 348 divided by 10 and 6. So what to do beta? We will divide this 348 by 6 and then we'll place the decimal point after one place because it is divided by 10. Got it, children? So let's see. 5 30. Remainder is 4. Now break down this 8. 6 8 okay. So what is the quotient? 348 divided by 6. The quotient is 58. But what is left here? Divided by 10 is left. Okay. So what to do? We will write the numerator as it is. Now see beta, denominator has 1 0. So we will put the decimal after 1 place. So what is the quotient of this? 3.48 divided by 0.6 is 5.8. Got it, children? So let's see one more example. See, the question is 4.956 divided by 2.36. Okay, so again we will do the same thing. 4956 divided by 123. 123 divided by 236 divided by 12. So 20. That means what? Divided by 100. Now we will convert 4956 divided by 100. 1000. Convert this division sign into multiplication and we'll take the reciprocal of this fraction. That is 100 upon 236. This 20 and this 20 will cancel. So here we can write 4956 divided by this 10 and 236. Again, what will we do, beta? We will divide this number by 236 and whatever the quotient we get, we'll divide or we will put the decimal point after one place. Got it, children? So let's and here is 49.6. Okay. Here is 4. Here is 2. So we will try 236 multiplied by 2, 6 to the 12, 2 to the 6 plus 1, 7, 2 to the 4. So it is 472. Yes. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So it is 23. But still we have one digit left. So we will break it down. So it is 236. See, divisor is 236 and remainder is also 2. So 236 ones are 236. Okay. So what is the quotient beta here? So it is the quotient of this 4956 divided by 36. Still we remain 10 in the denominator. So it is 21 upon 10. So denominator has 1 0. So we will place the decimal point after one place. So the answer is 2 point. Got it, children? So in this way, you can perform the division of decimal fraction by whole numbers and by another decimal number. Got it, children? So, Baba beta,